Ready, start. Heard learned counsel for the parties and perused the record. The CAT Patna rejected the respondents' allegations of discrimination amongst similarly placed persons, observing that two other trainees apart from the respondent who had been allotted to the construction organization were also sent for training at ZRTI. Accordingly, it could not be accepted that the respondent alone was chosen for a special punitive training. Taking note of the fact that all the candidates except one passed the requisite exam in the first attempt, and in the second attempt all the candidates except two cleared the exam, the CAT Patna concluded that the training/test was not particularly taxing and that by no stretch of imagination could it be inferred that the respondent was sent for this training with any prior intention to make him fail. Further, the tribunal observed that the respondent had tried to mislead it by repeatedly mentioning the completion of field training close as a mandatory requirement for appointment, while the provisional appointment later referred to the respondent's performance in the field of training close during the probation period. The respondent filed CWJC number 19255 of 2019 before the High Court challenging order dated 30/7/2019. However, the said case was dismissed as withdrawn by the order dated 17/9/2019 with liberty to make a representation before the Railway Board as requested by the counsel for the respondent. Thereafter, the respondent moved review application number 50/51/2019 before the CAT Patna seeking recalling of the order dated 30/7/2019. This application also came to be dismissed by the order dated 25/10/2019 on the ground of there being no error apparent on the face of the record or mistake of fact in the decision. Further, the miscellaneous application number 50/422/2019 filed by the respondent was also rejected on similar grounds by order dated 30/1/2020. Aggrieved by the foregoing, the respondent filed CWJC number 12,755 of 2021 before the High Court, assailing orders dated 30/7/2019, 25/10/2019 and 31/2020 passed by the CAT Patna. The High Court framed the following issue: (2) Core issue is that whether the petitioner is required to pass any prescribed departmental examination for the post of senior section engineer or not. Close. The appellants herein were directed by the High Court on 23/1/2023 to furnish a personal affidavit as regards the existence of any mandate for such examination. Consequently, the appellants filed a personal affidavit dated 2/2/2023 wherein they relied on the Master Circular. Upon consideration of the same, the High Court, while impugned judgment, came to the conclusion that the appellants had not prescribed any departmental examination for the purpose of conferring permanent status against the post of SSE. As a result, the writ petition was allowed and termination orders dated 4/1/2019 and 26/2/2019 were set aside. OA filed by the respondent stood allowed with the further direction to the appellants to extend all service and monetary benefits which were due to the respondent within a period of 4 months from the date of receipt of this order